Hey everyone, Alyssa here from Sena with the first full-face motorcycle helmet designed entirely around Sena, the Momentum helmet. It's built so that you can hear Sena the way it was meant to be heard and ready to go right out of the box. Today we are taking a closer look at the 4-way intercom-ready Momentum Lite and the 8-way ready Momentum.
Your headset is paired.
So the Momentum Lite will allow you to pair with 3 other riders, and the Momentum will allow you to pair with up to 7 other riders. The Momentum Lite is similar to a 10 series Sena, completely integrated with 27 hours of talk time, and the Momentum is similar to a 20S Evo with 20 hours of talk time and a few extra features. The Momentum helmets operate similar to a 3-button system like the Sena 10R. To get started with any of the Momentum helmets, turn the helmet on by holding the plus and center button. The LED will flash up to 4 times indicating the battery level, or continue to hold the buttons to hear the audible battery level. To enter intercom pairing, hold the middle button for 8 seconds and hear the voice prompt.
Intercom pairing.
Make sure the other Bluetooth headset or helmet that you are pairing with is in intercom pairing as well. Then tap the center button on either of the devices. The LED light will turn blue, indicating they're connected. Repeat as needed to connect with the other riders. The Senas operate in a last come, first served method, so make sure that you work your way backwards and bring everyone into the group intercom. There are plenty of videos online and on the rest of our YouTube channel for Bluetooth pairing and group intercom. Also, your user's guide is both in the box and online at Sena.com. To pair with another Bluetooth device like a phone or GPS, enter the configuration menu on the helmet by holding the center button for 12 seconds.
Configuration menu.
Navigate forward to phone pairing by tapping the plus button.
Phone pairing.
If you need to continue to navigate through the configuration menu, tap the plus button. While the helmet is connected to your phone, you can configure settings, assign speed dial contacts, and radio presets using the Sena Utility app. The Momentum helmets come in matte black and gloss white with an optional smoke shield. Removing and installing the shield is quick and easy. Lift the shield up so that it is in the most open position. Release the locking mechanism by pulling it in the direction of the arrow towards the front of the helmet. Installing the shield, hold the locking mechanism open, align and insert the shield. Release the locking mechanism to lock the shield in place. The Momentum helmet, the one that's capable of up to 8 lines of communication, also has audio multitasking, which will allow your music to play in the background while in intercom mode. By default, the Momentum helmet also comes with voice commands enabled, allowing you to simply say, "Hello, Sena," and operate the Momentum helmet hands-free. These features are not available on the more simplified version of the Momentum Lite. Check Sena.com and the device manager for the latest firmware updates and software downloads. You can also find your user's guides at Sena.com. And for any reason, if the technology in your helmet ever does need to be restarted, you can perform a factory reset in the configuration menu. So, what does this thing sound like? So right now I'm connected to the camera over Bluetooth. The integrated microphone is using Sena's advanced noise control. I've got 2 adjustable vents in the front and a large exhaust port on the back with a reflective strip on the neck roll, pin lock ready visor, and there's also the optional smoke shield as shown here. The Momentum helmets are made of 2 fiberglass shells with removable and washable liners, all DOT and ECE approved in sizes extra small through XXL. These Momentum helmets are the very first of the Bluetooth integrated helmets designed completely around Sena. And check out the rest of our YouTube channel for more tutorials and visit Sena.com for more information. I could stand here and tell you to hit that subscribe button that's right there, that way you don't miss any updates, tricks, tips, or new product previews, but that's up to you.